Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm coming to you with a jewelry video and an epic unboxing and a pair of new sunglasses. But I would like to start with my new obsession. I have a few really beautiful pieces from Idyl. And I was in the market. If you have watched my last wish list video, you know that I was in the market for new earrings, and Idyl has got so many beautiful ear studs. And you know how their pieces work? You buy the stud and then you can add on pieces to it and create your own combinations. And I tell you, prior to this video, I played a lot. I think I spent half an hour to figure out which combination I like most, and it was really difficult because they work beautifully together, especially if you don't have many ear piercings on your ears and you want to create the illusion of having many ear piercings. I think these pieces really help you to create that look. And they have an ear cuff, which is on my wish list. This is I don't know why didn't I get that ear cuff. I mean, imagine this ear game with the ear cuff, or just the stud, you know, just the simple stud here and then the ear cuff. So beautiful. And I love that they pay so much attention to detail, because for example with this piece I was not sure if this is gonna work for me because my ear holes are situated differently. Let's put it this way. You know, the distance between here is not standard and is not the same like here, because my ear holes were done by hand and by my beloved Madame Bozorg, and yes, and they are not the same, you know. So I was not sure if this one is gonna work for me, but it does, because it has got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, which makes it really easy for you to adjust to your ear. And yes, I thought this is genius, and I have never seen that actually before with any other jewelry brands. And on top of really beautifully made jewelry pieces, this brand is sustainable and ethical, which is really important when it comes especially to jewelry, you know, diamonds and gold. By the way, all the pieces are made in Belgium, which screams luxury, right? But their prices are really fair and accessible. I mean, we are talking about real diamonds, right? By the way, everything you see in this video will be linked down below. And if you're thinking of getting any pieces from Idyl, they came packed beautifully, but I had to open them a few weeks ago and wear them for, you know, normal life situations. I really wanted to try their pieces for a few weeks before I come here and recommend them to you. So I took shower with them, I went swimming with them, because my little boy is learning swimming, or is he learning? Not really, but we are having fun in water, and see how they work for me, and if the quality is good enough for me to come and recommend it to you. And now with good conscience I can recommend them to you. They are beautifully made, great quality for great price, for real diamonds and 14 karat gold. I think they have unbeatable price. I will actually include a few of the pieces that are on my radar down below this video, so you can check them out. Actually, everything will be linked down below for you. And also, thank you so much Idyl for sponsoring this portion of this video. Next, I would like to show you a new pair of sunglasses. I know I have tried so many different sunglasses. This is not even funny anymore, but you know, I don't have the opportunity to go to the store and try them on, so I have to you know, order them, and while I am trying them I show them to you. But these are a keeper. I really like these because yeah, why? I don't know, they are just cool. They are cool. They are by Prada. I will link the exact model down below for you. The only thing I don't like about these sunglasses is the case. I mean, this is gigantic. I will see if I can fit them into my Celine sunglasses case. And by the way, I have so much fun with these sunglasses by Celine. So yes, this, of course, it fits. It's still too big, but it fits into my bag as well. And here again for you. I think they really go also very well with my ear game here. And yes, a little bit sparkle in these gloomy days doesn't hurt, right? Just get rid of this sticker because we are going to keep these sunglasses. I love them so much. Love, love, love. Now let us get rid of this mess here and I'll show you what I've got in this one. So, the story behind this purchase is here. You're asking yourself, what the hell is this? I can tell you, my son made that for me because he thought this is not beautiful enough for me. No, the true story is, you wouldn't think that this thing would be a hazard, but it is. Every time we cuddle, I'm very aware of this one, and I'm always careful that I don't hurt him with this. Yes, and now he showed up with this here and told me I should replace this with this because this is much better. So I thought, even though this is very enticing and I do love the idea behind it, and I really want to cuddle him without having a bad feeling, so I got myself I had a good excuse and I got this one. I show you, beautifully packed again, Cartier as always. Da-da! So here we have the Trinity bracelet by Cartier with yellow, white and rose gold on a cord. I do like the look of it, but if I decide to keep it, I think I would like to exchange the black cord for a different color. Maybe gold or even red would be nice as well. I'm not sure, I will see. Or green would be nice as well. I hope you are not gonna miss my love bracelet, but I really love my love bracelet and it's really difficult to say bye-bye to it because I have had it on my hand for now more than 5 years, almost 6 years, no, 7 years, almost 7 years. And I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I know that many people actually get this piece as a push present. Just bear in mind that you can't hurt your children with this piece. So, but back to this piece, I really like it. But I think I like it with in combination with the love bracelet. I don't know how I would feel about it all by its own. I have to think about it. I really like these two pieces together though. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumb up and I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.